Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some Bulletin board hero stocks amongst private investors. We're starting off with Bowleven or Bowleven, depending on what you prefer. Here we've got an extended base on the daily chart since February. A couple of probes below the 30p level, an extended RSI uptrend line as well, backing the recovery. But I think it's actually to start June where we've got the real excitement here, a golden cross buy signal between the 10 and 20-day moving averages around the 35p mark. And then this unfilled gap to the upside, which started the month, and also the failure to fill that gap down to 33.5p. And that to me is the big buy signal on Bowleven at the moment. The chances are now really that while we remain above the 20-day moving average, let's just say that's the best stop loss at 35.2p, we could head up to the January price channel top as high as 50p over the next 4 to 6 weeks. So looking quite strong there for this situation. Another situation which is in the same sort of space, President Energy. Here we've got an extended base as well, running through around the 31p mark. The consolidation here really since the beginning of the year after an unfilled gap to the downside. RSI uptrend line here as well, running through around 45, and the break above neutral RSI 50 to 53 as well. So while you might want to wait for an end of day close above initial June resistance of 35p, it does look as though President Energy is readying itself for a fill of that February gap towards 45p. Stop loss on the whole buy argument would be a break back below that 29p May floor. Finishing off with a different type of situation, software radio technology. Here we've got another extended base situation after double support below 20p earlier this year. Higher low for June around the 22p mark, and I'm assuming we're in a wide rising trend channel from last September, which could take the shares back towards the best levels of last year at 35p plus. Be cautious on the buy argument. You'd wait on a weekly close back above the 200-day moving average of 26p, but it does look to me as though enough has been done in the near term to build a base for software radio, and especially with the RSI back above 50 as well. It looks like the situation is finally on the move. That's it from me. See you again next time. More updates on spreadbetmagazine.com.